Hi family, what's up? Welcome back to another video, you know, guys. And we're there, I end up on the seaside in the morning, you know, on an app. You understand? On an app, because through me buck off my toe. You understand? But it take time and I come on, you know. But watch you know, no? And them I said that them a rasta a bubble me bumbo. And them go catch them a Burger King and eat up a combo them a. Yo! Watch you know? Yo! I'm tell you something, man. Righteousness exalted a nation. You understand? And so when you say you're clean, you must be clean. So watch another one here come for you, Clean TV. You understand? Dog, you do certain things, bro, G. We go straight tonight, you know. You do some things, dog, when you look good. But now go around here and tell you a lie. Don't look good, brother. You understand? It look bad mind. It look covetous. That's the way how it look.
Yeah. See a man so there, man, I do it, man. See it? Oochie mooch. See me? Spam it to your face, eh? Or it brown out, but now see my face or it brown. Oh no.
Green Family TV, remember to love, like, and subscribe.
Love, like, and subscribe. You understand? Me like that. See, you don't know the vibes. Outside here, guys. Yeah, man. For real. Nah, lie for
Look at that when you see it.
Yeah, man, mush out. Broke all the light posts, you know. Show them from another angle now. Yeah. Show them from another angle.
Don't want to hear about the skull pan phone. Me no care who attack on the line I go. Money me broke the light post,
Yo, I broke the light post, you know, dog.
Hopefully make it alive. You see me, so we're passing through here, guys, on Mountain View, where you can see a crisp BMW running a light post, because here was some of them little young youth here make some money and buy them vehicle where some ground plane type of vehicle. You understand? And them they learn to drive from all a nigga like me. We're gonna teach them defensive driving. You understand? How to drive properly. You understand? So them a drive all them fast car there. When them step in night, you go me all choke. And lift up. When you lift up them car manage it. Watch them. Boom in a light post. Broke the fucking light post. Mash up the BMW. My God, that's why I'm gonna rent my car to anybody. Because if somebody feel I'll rent my GLE and mash it up. Oh God. That's why your professionals me rent my GLE to. You understand? Me not rent it to anybody. You understand? And them have to rent it with insurance coverage. So I'm on the little side man thing and say, yo, I have a link, you know. Come give them for 8 or 9 or 10 grand a day. Right, no! Go through the website thing. You understand? Book your Airbnb and book your GLE. Yeah, and your GLE come meet you right at the airport. I'm not tell anybody the website yet. You understand? So you know the chop will say a chop, and when you chop it, I want to knock it. Knock! You understand? So big up Brian behind the camera, you don't know the vibes already. Seen? Good. And the argument done. Yeah, done. Alright, send it to me.
Wayne Family TV, your TV, my TV, our TV.
You understand? It look bad mind and look covetous, virgin. You know, like when some people bad mind some people, I saw you make the things start to look. When me really observe certain things. Cause a long time I don't look for none on the channel, you know. You understand? Until yesterday, you know. You see me and true me say, somebody put up and say, why Clean TV hate COLAZ or something like that. I say, oh, go on. I saw me go and look for your channel now, bro G. And I be a discrimination you go on with. Now look into the thing now. Remember say you say you was a Rasta, you know, bro G. And you say a Clean TV. So, you're not supposed to do the thing on a clean level, bro G, man. That not clean when I say I do that, not clean, dog. That not clean within the heart and in spirit. Because watch you know, COLAZ and Ground God have a little dispute and Nick. See? The whole of them disrespect each other and the whole of them wrong. Saying, I saw me put it. Me come out, me give my talk, me say my 2 cents, but done. I'm notice all me say, Ground God move on and I do our thing. Nick move on and I do him thing. COLAZ I do him thing. COLAZ I do some good thing to you, know, dog. Cause out of everybody in there is good, you know. You know, see, COLAZ I help you with tuition for go back to school. A 2 youth, me see him help with tuition for go back to school. And despite of food or what him want give homeless people, we don't know what some of them do make them homeless. See? But when me look and see him, I look out for the youth and them education and them future, well, that is a good thing. Applaud him for that, no brethren. You get up and you just a beat on the man, a beat on the man. Him a take it back. No, you did a build a house. Saying, you, Clean TV, you did a build a house then for Ground God. What happened between Ground God and COLAZ happened between you and them and Nick come out and them, where I say you still fix up house and finish up and give them a area or something? Eh? Stop going like you take people for fool because you never do it neither. Because me never do it. You say if it done, I'm going to give it to them and then them violate, then that is it. I'm not going to look back on it. But if me not finish it, and them come with disrespect or animosity or whatever, me and them have things, and you see me, even if it never go so far, but we got to the level where me have all my little side piece and them thing there, and Nick come bust it out and them thing there, and cause all friction and screw face and them thing there, on my yard. Me go feel good still and say yeah, and give her the house. Eh? Come on, man, what is people wanna feed them on? So a COLAZ house where him say him grew up in, and him da fix stuff for Ground God, and him decide him now a female, him have the right for do whatever him want to do with it. Lower for the man, no bro, G. Yo, what am I gonna can't make the thing just look like Netflix? What am I gonna can't come out and just do some vlog? Vlog about on yourself, vlog about on the lifestyle. You know, so me do my thing. Go back and watch my channel. You know, so me show them my downfall. Eh? Me do vlog where me a show my downfall. And now me a vlog where me a show my upliftment. You understand? Cause them say a 7-time fall, a 7-time rise. Saying, I'm a show my downfall. I sit down all on the roadside and cry. I tell you that when I walk and tired in a blood clot. And now I have 4 bomb clot vehicle. Cannot drive. Because God says the youth are heart clean, you know. The youth are heart clean, you know, where I make you go through, you know, dog. The journey now go easy, but you go through. See? Go back to your normal thing now, because look, I don't have nothing more to say about COLAZ, and I don't have nothing more to say about Ground God. Because look, I see the 2 of them gone, them a do them thing, them not in and not tossing. So if them not follow up the argument, who is you? Fear follow it up. Bumbleclad, what here? Upon steer to raw soul, I step up. I want a more long time pants them I put on. I want a more long time pants them. You see me? You don't look good, brother. Don't look good, Rasta. God knows you don't look good. It don't look good, Aya. You get up and just step on the man, step on the man, step on the man. Just let the man go through now, no? See? Let the man go through, brethren. See there? The whole of my crutches steer out to Ross cloth. See there? I step up on a stone and the whole of my crutches bust out. What me I go do? Cuss COLAZ? Lord, man, make him go back to him life now, man. Them don't do them mishaps, them don't do what them a do. And whatever is whatever. And that is their business. Seeing them done a fight. Why you and Oliver? You come like if you don't talk about people, it can't work for you. You don't have a life. You don't have a life, you can't say, alright, I vlog my life. It's all about me, my life. Eh? And then you know where the bumbleclad social media where support the hypocrisy, the hypocrisy and I write one name. And them thing there, you know the one to be blamed to. Because if you don't feed the blood clot thing, then it can't grow, you know. If you don't feed the thing, it can't grow. So when you look and see all them blood clot there, a man come and a try beat down a man when you do him nothing. You no look upon that. And when them realize say nobody now look upon it, you would see the difference. You would see the difference. Yeah. I've been used to explicit, what you want to call it explicit. Sorry, but to me it's not explicit. It's my African language. You understand? Because I won't forget my roots and where I'm coming from. You understand? A bumbo clot grow me. Instead of my father use something and lick me under my blood clot when me little and I grow, and hurt me. Him tell me them clot there. And it hurt me just like if he lick me. So as some get to find out say some word are powerful. And when I do a research on it, I find out say it's an African word where I come from in Africa. And Babylon now, I try to distract you from the word for not use it, so them call it indecent language. And I say if you use it, you're going to go to jail. Back in the old time days. You never know people used to go to jail, that's why them don't like Rasta. Because Rasta used to teach the real right thing about culture and life. This is the world that we're living in. You see me? God's world. Come we appreciate it, man, and be glad in it. Make we live righteous, no? Make we live for each other, no? When a person wrong, them wrong. And when them not do nothing, you leave them alone. Them do what them do already and them have them tossing and them thing already. Make it stay there, so no? Done it, no, you them done it. You done it to no virgin as a Rasta. Because you say a Rasta, you say your name Clean TV. But at the same time, I don't see you do nothing clean, virgin. Because what you are doing nothing clean, you're supposed to come with advice. You're supposed to come with encouragement. You understand? You're supposed to come with motivation. Because that means no Rastafari. Cleanness. And you're going to say your name Clean TV and a beer. Fuck you, the virgin. Lord, the man make the man live, man. You see a beer sweater run off for me. Because I have to stand up in the sun on a rock in Africa and do that one. Because I don't want to worry, man, so I can't stand up in the sun. You understand? And when I sweat, it cool my body. So all you see me in the sun, I'm not hot. That's why I used to walk with my chicken bag for my back and them thing there. You see me? Yeah. And God I said, no, you deserve more than this youth. You work hard too long. Cool off for the hard work now. Me I go bless you abundantly and make you have some if you can share. You understand? Even though when I share it, it's done because through back to school I have to help people. Me end up broke now. You understand? I have to go wait till the rest of the month before me get money. I don't know what go pop up before the year. Next week Friday I write him orientation for 6th form. You understand? I have to go work out a payment plan with the school now for pay him tuition for 6th form. You know? Because you them bright, you know, and graduate with 5 subjects. He may only do 5 and him pass the 5 of them. You understand? 4-1 and 1-2. And the next one, the 7 and pass the 7 of them. 4-1. 4-1, 2-2 and 1-3. You see me? And then the first one, in the 1 year of college. 1 term of college and then Corona come. And everything mesh up. Money, everything mash up there, so. You understand? So him couldn't continue. Well, anyway, him have a nice job. A nice work, you know, still. I go and do. Give thanks and praise to God Almighty. You understand? Yeah. If you look out for you and I youth them. The sage speed, you understand? So I have to give thanks. Yeah, in a real life. You understand? I have to give thanks in a real life. You understand? If you know some youth them come out, I feel good in my heart because I know say them 100% better off than me right now. You understand? Because them have more education or them have education from papers. Them have proof for prove them intellectuality. You see me? And them out there in the world and I do them thing. Next one I go back at 6th form, next one I do him work on them thing there. See me? Even me I teach for drive now. Because I say I want to buy one of them wicked under there, you know, but I have to learn defensive driving. Because them fast car they have to and a fastness do it, virgin. You understand? You just drive, go where you go and go home back. You don't need to reach before everybody. You know? But I just the beauty height, I just the style and where them him love still, and not really the speed. You know? And him have the right teacher teaching for drive. Me. You know, I mean teach my wife for drive, you know, quick, you know. I mean teach my son right now. Me have video him on the morning them when him come. When him drive go work in the morning. And show no. Me I make him take off him company shirt. The company where him work with shirt. And put on a normal shirt. Because him no want people to know him business. If you see him and know, then you see him and know. But him no want it on YouTube where everybody knows say I just say him work or know him business. Or, you understand? I just saw him stay. And a lot of people who see me and I say, oh, bad man that, a ragamuffin that, a gangster that, a rebel. And look on the two youth them I'm a groom. And me groom them, you know. Me and them mother, you know. But I me set down the rules and the law and she enforce it. You understand? I saw the thing go. You understand? Good. And bring them to the level there where you see them. Two outstanding gentlemen. Me bringing to the world. Me and them mother bring them into the world. Me gear them for bring them into the world for me. You understand? Yeah. So me can't come on social, me can't cuss my bumbo clot because it grow them. But me not come on social media come beat down people and them thing they brethren for try. That now do no good. That now do no good, brethren. Live up, man, and live up together, man. Think clean, man, like how you name Clean TV. You understand? Don't just look on the bad way a person, though. Look on the good, too. So, yeah, him fuck up with ground God because him have him reason why him do what him do, and then when it not work out, it becomes what it becomes. It done and gone. Leave it alone now, no? I make him can move on, and them and you try move on. Flag boy your life now, no, brethren. Because him not afraid to bring film life to media. That means him not have nothing to hide. But uno will sit down. Just sit down in a summer one every day. Uno can't vlog phone life. And wanna do our own is or whatever or what the case may be.
Let's go.
My nigga.
And when you knock it, knock. And when you clap it, clap. A 77 a rock, 77 a rock. And when you knock it, knock. And when you clap it, clap. A 77 a rock. You see me say 77 come, wind up your body for me. 77, wind up your body for me.
Come on, man. Look on it now, guys. What was call it? Bonaparte of the carney to the spirit run, so let them not see the Bonaparte. Where them gonna eat?
Never gonna look back. Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Yeah. Say now, take a dip. Do that again. Come on.
I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head, not heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
TV, my TV, our TV.
Win Family TV. Remember to love, like, and subscribe.
Love, like, and subscribe. You understand? Me like that. See, you don't know the vibes. But outside here, guys, yeah, man, for real. Me not lie for her.